Welcome to the channel. Today, we're looking at the Sabrent USB-C dual KVM switch with power delivery. This isn't your average switch, it lets you control two computers with a single keyboard and mouse, outputting to one or two monitors. It features two USB-C inputs and two HDMI outputs, supporting both mirror and extend modes for ultimate flexibility. Need to charge your devices? This KVM delivers up to 60 watts of power to each connected computer. Switching between your devices is incredibly simple, just a single button press. 6 LEDs clearly indicate input, output, and power statuses. Setup is a breeze. The switch comes with everything you need, two 1-meter USB-C to USB-C cables and a wall mount bracket. It works with Windows 10/Mac OS 10.0 and higher, though your devices need to be compatible with USB power delivery. Get up to two 4K displays at 60 Hz for amazing screen real estate, boosting your productivity. The integrated 1-meter cable keeps things tidy. Many users praise its ease of use and effectiveness connecting MacBooks and other devices. The one-button switching is highlighted for its speed and convenience. While most find it to work well, some users have reported occasional issues with functionality and switching speed. There are also mixed opinions regarding compatibility with certain peripherals and USB ports, along with notes about the device running warm, though these issues are not universally reported. Overall, this Sabrent KVM offers impressive functionality and convenience. If you're looking to streamline your dual computer setup, this could be the perfect solution. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews.